Kidney health is critical, especially for seniors. As we age, our kidneys, which filter waste, balance electrolytes, and produce essential hormones, naturally lose filtering capacity. This gradual decline can contribute to chronic kidney disease, CKD, and, in advanced stages, even led to kidney failure. With conditions like diabetes and hypertension on the rise among older adults, many seniors face the threat of dialysis and loss of independence. But what if you could give your kidneys a natural boost every morning with simple dietary choices? Today, we're tackling a crucial topic that affects more and more seniors around the globe: how to detox your kidneys and combat CKD fast by eating the right fruits every morning. Instead of resorting to expensive treatments or complicated cleanses, nature has provided us with powerful, nutrient-rich fruits that can help flush toxins, reduce inflammation, and support your kidney's natural detoxification process. In this video, I'll reveal the top 3 fruits that seniors must eat every morning to protect their kidneys and improve their overall urinary tract health. These fruits are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds that work synergistically to relieve the burden on your kidneys, boost their function, and even improve blood pressure and energy levels. Before we dive into the details, please share in the comments which city you're watching from. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health wisdom specifically for seniors. Now, let's explore how cranberries, watermelon, and lemons, 3 everyday fruits, can transform your kidney health and help you maintain independence and vitality well into your golden years. In the sections below, we will explore each of the 3 kidney-supporting fruits in detail. For every fruit, we'll explain its unique nutritional profile, the science behind its protective effects, and practical ways to incorporate it into your daily morning routine. In addition, we'll share complementary lifestyle strategies that work together with these fruits to create a comprehensive, natural detox for your kidneys. Number 1. Cranberries, the urinary tract infection fighter. What makes cranberries special? Cranberries are not just tart, vibrant berries. They're a powerful ally for your kidney and urinary tract health. Rich in vitamins C, E, and K1, as well as essential minerals like manganese and copper, cranberries provide significant nutritional value with minimal calories. However, what truly sets cranberries apart for kidney support is their unique blend of bioactive compounds, including proanthocyanidins and quinic acid. These compounds work together to create a protective barrier along the urinary tract. They inhibit the adhesion of harmful bacteria, particularly E. coli, to the lining of the urinary system, making it far more difficult for infections to take hold. The science behind cranberry benefits. Studies have shown that cranberries reduce the incidence of urinary tract infections, UTIs, by as much as 40% in seniors who are prone to such infections. UTIs, if recurrent, can exacerbate kidney stress and contribute to the progression of CKD. Moreover, cranberries help prevent the formation of kidney stones by maintaining a slightly acidic urine pH, which discourages the aggregation of calcium and phosphate into stones. Research from the Journal of Urology indicates that the active compounds in cranberries specifically target the bacteria most problematic for aging urinary systems, thereby reducing the risk of infection and subsequent kidney damage. How to enjoy cranberries every morning. There are several ways to incorporate cranberries into your daily routine. Pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Although tart, pure cranberry juice is the most concentrated source of these beneficial compounds. If the flavor is too intense, dilute it with water or mix it with another low-sugar juice. Smoothies. Blend a quarter cup of fresh or frozen cranberries with a banana, some blueberries, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk for a nutrient-rich smoothie. Dried cranberries. Add a small handful of unsweetened dried cranberries to your oatmeal or plain yogurt. Look for varieties with minimal added sugar. Cranberry supplements. If you can't tolerate the tartness of cranberries, high-quality cranberry extract supplements can be an alternative, but always consult your healthcare provider first, especially if you're on blood thinners. Remember, cranberries offer immense benefits, but they can interact with certain medications such as warfarin. If you are taking blood thinners or any other prescribed medications, check with your doctor before significantly increasing your cranberry intake. Number 2. Watermelon. Nature's kidney filtration booster. The hydration power of watermelon is synonymous with summer refreshment, but its benefits extend far beyond quenching thirst. With a water content of over 90%, watermelon is nature's most hydrating fruit. For seniors, adequate hydration is paramount for kidney function. When your kidneys are well hydrated, they can efficiently flush out toxins and waste products from your bloodstream, reducing the strain on these vital organs. How watermelon supports kidney health. Watermelon not only provides essential hydration, but also delivers a substantial amount of potassium and magnesium. These electrolytes are critical for maintaining fluid balance and proper muscle function, both of which are essential for efficient kidney filtration. The natural diuretic effect of watermelon increases urine flow, helping to clear out toxins and prevent the buildup of harmful substances that can lead to kidney stones. Furthermore, watermelon contains the antioxidant lycopene, which protects kidney tissue from oxidative damage, and the amino acid citrulline, which enhances blood flow to the kidneys. Research from the American Heart Association indicates that the unique nutrient profile of watermelon supports healthy blood pressure and reduces inflammation, two key factors in preventing chronic kidney disease. Additionally, a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated that regular consumption of watermelon can lead to improved kidney function markers in patients with early-stage kidney disease. Creative ways to incorporate watermelon. Here are some practical ways to enjoy watermelon. Fresh slices. Enjoy a few chilled slices of watermelon as a simple, refreshing snack. Smoothies. Blend watermelon with mint and a splash of lime juice to create a hydrating, nutrient-dense drink. Frozen treats. Freeze watermelon chunks to make natural popsicles, perfect for a hot day and gentle on your kidneys. Salads. Combine watermelon cubes with cucumber, feta cheese, and fresh mint in a salad that not only tastes delightful, but also supports your hydration and electrolyte balance. For seniors, it's important to enjoy watermelon in moderation, particularly if you're managing diabetes or kidney issues. If you choose to eat watermelon, consider pairing it with a protein source to slow down sugar absorption and ensure stable blood glucose levels. Number 3. Lemons, the ultimate kidney detoxifier. The remarkable benefits of lemons. Lemons may be small, but they are an incredibly powerful fruit for supporting kidney health. Rich in vitamin C, folate, potassium, and a host of beneficial plant compounds, lemons work at a molecular level to boost kidney function. One of the key components in lemons is citric acid, a natural substance that plays several critical roles in kidney detoxification. How citric acid protects your kidneys. Citric acid increases the level of urinary citrate, a compound that prevents the formation of kidney stones by binding with calcium and stopping it from crystallizing. Think of citrate as a natural shield that coats the surfaces within your kidneys, preventing tiny crystals from growing into painful stones. Additionally, citric acid helps maintain a slightly acidic urine environment, which discourages the formation of certain types of kidney stones. Lemons also stimulate increased urine production, which aids in flushing out toxins and waste materials, reducing the overall burden on your kidneys. Clinical research supports the benefits of lemon for kidney health. A landmark study published in the Journal of Urology found that consuming about 4 ounces of lemon juice daily, diluted in water, increased urinary citrate levels by over 60% in patients with low citrate, leading to a significant reduction in kidney stone formation. Moreover, lemons have been shown to help stabilize blood pressure and improve overall circulation, further supporting kidney function. Delicious and practical ways to enjoy lemons. Incorporating lemons into your daily routine can be both simple and enjoyable. Morning lemon water. Start your day with warm lemon water. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into 8 ounces of warm water and sip slowly before breakfast. This morning ritual jumpstarts your kidney cleansing function and hydrates you after the night's natural dehydration. Infused water. Add lemon slices to your water pitcher or bottle throughout the day to enhance flavor and encourage increased fluid intake. Salad dressings and marinades. Use lemon juice as a natural, salt-free flavor enhancer for salads, fish, or vegetables. Detox drinks. Create a detox beverage by combining lemon juice with a small piece of fresh ginger, a pinch of turmeric, and a dash of cinnamon, mixed into water. This refreshing drink not only aids kidney function, but also has anti-inflammatory properties that benefit overall health. For seniors with sensitive digestion, always dilute lemon juice and consume it with or after meals to prevent irritation. Consulting with your healthcare provider is advisable if you have any pre-existing gastrointestinal conditions. Additional lifestyle strategies for kidney health. While these 3 fruits, cranberries, watermelon, and lemons, offer powerful natural support for your kidneys, a comprehensive approach to kidney health involves several lifestyle strategies. Integrating these practices with your daily fruit intake can optimize kidney function and help combat chronic kidney disease, CKD. 1. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is critical for kidney health. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily helps ensure that your kidneys can effectively filter waste and maintain electrolyte balance. In addition to water, herbal teas and infused water, with slices of lemon or cucumber, can add variety and encourage you to drink more fluids. 2. Maintain a balanced diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that provide the essential vitamins and minerals your kidneys need. Limit processed foods, excess sodium, and refined sugars, which can stress your kidneys and contribute to inflammation. A balanced diet that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains supports overall kidney function. 3. Monitor medication and supplement. Many seniors take multiple medications that can place an extra burden on the kidneys. It's important to discuss your diet and any supplements with your healthcare provider to ensure that they do not interfere with your kidney function or interact negatively with your medications. Regular blood tests and checkups can help monitor kidney function and catch any issues early. 4. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise increases blood circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and essential nutrients to your kidneys. Regular physical activity also supports healthy blood pressure levels and reduces inflammation throughout the body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. 5. Manage chronic conditions. Conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease can significantly impact kidney health. Work closely with your healthcare provider to manage these conditions through diet, exercise, and prescribed medications. Keeping these conditions under control reduces the strain on your kidneys and helps maintain their filtering capacity. 6. Avoid excessive alcohol and caffeine. Alcohol and excessive caffeine consumption can contribute to dehydration and may increase the workload on your kidneys. Moderation is key. Opt for water, herbal teas, and nutrient-rich beverages to support your kidneys instead. In conclusion, supporting your kidney health doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It can start with the simple act of choosing the right fruits each morning. Cranberries, watermelon, and lemons offer unique and powerful benefits that help detoxify your kidneys, reduce inflammation, prevent kidney stone formation, and improve overall urinary tract health. Cranberries work by preventing harmful bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, thereby reducing infections. Watermelon hydrates your body naturally, while its potassium and citrulline boost filtration and blood flow. Lemons, with their high citric acid content, help dissolve kidney stones and promote a healthy urine environment. Together, these fruits create a natural, synergistic approach to support your kidneys, especially important as your natural filtering capacity declines with age. Incorporating them into your morning routine, whether through a refreshing detox drink, a nutrient-packed smoothie, or a simple serving of fresh fruit, can make a significant difference in your overall kidney function and quality of life. However, fruits are just one piece of the puzzle. A holistic lifestyle approach is essential to protect your kidneys. Stay well hydrated, follow a balanced whole food diet, monitor your medications, exercise regularly, and manage any chronic conditions you may have. By combining these strategies, you empower your kidneys to perform their vital detoxification functions efficiently, reducing the risk of CKD and improving your overall health. Thank you for taking the time to learn about these top 3 kidney-supporting fruits and the complementary lifestyle strategies that can help you combat CKD naturally. I encourage you to share your experiences and any questions in the comments below. Your insights may help someone else make better, safer choices. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips tailored specifically for seniors. Remember, every small change you make today contributes to a healthier, more independent tomorrow. Take care, stay hydrated, and let your kidneys work their magic every day.